For almost 20 years, the Jamaica Social Investment Fund, Jsif, with the help of several partners, has helped to create sustainable national development.
Some of our major accomplishments for the year was that we provided 1,084 households with improved access to water. We provided the NSWMA with 52 garbage disposal units, skips, a garbage truck. We worked on 28 sanitation projects in the primary schools. We also, in the inner cities, we provided 100 communal units, sanitation units as well. We worked on water supplies and our usual things, jobs training, skills training, education. We did infrastructure projects.
And Jsif executed these programs through the implementation of 9 projects in rural and urban communities, all geared towards reducing the impacts of poverty and crime. During the last financial year, Jsif's focus has been placed on rural development. The organization has rolled out several projects based on agriculture, tourism and infrastructural development, as well as sanitation and social protection strategies. One such project, Jsif's Rural Economic Development Initiative, READY, through its $15 million World Bank loan, has played supporting roles in rural agriculture and tourism with the launch of 12 projects in Manchester. Financial as well as business development support was given to these groups in the areas of business management, disaster mitigation, project management, greenhouse technology and organizational strengthening, all of which have helped to sustain these businesses and foster economic independence for community members, as they too have benefited through gainful employment. Flower Hill Cottage is a rural cassava processing facility that has been making significant strides, and what started as a small business has blossomed into a lucrative brand, Western Bammies.
Jsif gave us 17 million. The money goes for expansion of the building and also equipment. We have an industrial grater which can grate at least 1,500 pounds of cassava for the day. We have the press, an industrial press, where we press the cassava dry that it can go through the sieve. We also get 3 industrial stoves from Jsif that put with what we did have here. I take this opportunity in this video to thank Jsif for what they have done for us, and by the help of God, we are going to go further.
Jsif has also given attention to roads in several farming communities with help from the Caribbean Development Bank-funded Community Investment Project, CIP. The badly eroded roads in Hayfield, St. Thomas often hampered the delivery of crops to buyers. But thanks to the almost $40 million cash injection from the CDB, over 400 residents now have access to upgraded roads.
That affects us very bad because we couldn't get no vehicle to come to our producer. Coffee, everything, it was just spoiled. We did have so many landslides on the road. When a vehicle coming up, the person have to come out of the vehicle. Sometimes we have to come out, push it. Come out, somehow we have to ease up the vehicle for it to come because it was so bad. I have to say thanks to Jsif for this project that they do for us, because this road helps us to take us our produce to wherever place, out to the market, wherever we're going. So we have to give thanks to them.
And along with fixing roads, Jsif, through the Petro-Carib Fund and Ministry of Education, gave several rural schools new sanitary amenities. Over 2,000 students across 10 parishes now have access to modern bathroom facilities. Since its inception, Jsif has made significant contributions to nation building. Evidence of this can be found in the organization's high response rate to fulfill the requests made by community representatives island-wide.
Jsif will continue to focus on sustainable community development activities, in addition to enabling growth and job creation in the agriculture and tourism sectors.
For more information on Jsif, call their toll-free line 1-888-991-2356-7. Send an email to feedback@jsif.org or visit their website, jsif.org. And remember to like their Facebook page. The Jamaica Social Investment Fund, investing for community development.